Welcome to Basic Tagalog Tutorials. Now I share to you a Filipino expressions. This is basic useful Tagalog words.
Gusto kita.
I like you.
Gusto kitang tawagan.
I want to call you.
Gusto kitang makita.
I want to see you.
Iniisip kita.
I'm thinking of you.
Iniisip kita lagi.
I always think of you.
Huwag kang mag-alala, akong bahala.
Don't worry. I'll take care of it.
Hihintayin kita.
I'll wait for you.
May gusto ako sa iyo.
I have a crush on you.
Lagi kang mag-ingat.
Always take care.
Ingat ka lagi.
Always take care.
Mag-ingat ka.
Do take care.
Mahal kita or iniibig kita.
I love you.
Ikaw ang lahat sa akin.
You are everything to me.
Miss na miss kita.
I really miss you.
Miss kita.
I miss you.
Ingat ka.
Take care. Thanks for watching my video. Visit my playlist and don't forget to watch my latest video. Visit my website for more tutorial like this. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video.